Hi guys, it's me. I'm back. So you may remember we left off and we had just created a Class Connect session for the whole week. So now we're back at our home page and now we want to go ahead and we want to take a look at those Class Connect sessions and we want to be able to upload some materials to those sessions so that we can teach with our students. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead to the quick link here and we're going to go ahead and click here on Class Connect Sessions. Now, when you first get there, you say, oh no, all the sessions I made are not there. Don't panic. You're going to come over here to Weekly View. When we click on Weekly View, that's when everything comes up that we already scheduled. Now, remember again, look up at the top and be sure, Friday to Thursday. I want to make sure that I click the arrow so I can be sure that everything I'm doing is Monday through Friday for next week. So you remember we went ahead and we created, I created this test session with you. So now that the session has been created, we want to pre-plan and upload some materials. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on this session name. So go ahead and we click here. And now you're going to see that we're going to have this option here to choose our devices. We're just going to go ahead and click over here in the gray area because what we're going to do is I'm going to continue talking to you. My video is not going to be there anymore, but you're going to see how we're going to load things up. So we're going to go here to Files. Now notice Courses. This is our test. Whatever we named our course, this file will always show there. Now, if I make an afternoon session and when I was creating this class in the course session, if I named it something else, it might not show here in these files. So just wanted to make sure you are aware of that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create a little PowerPoint. Well, I'm going to upload the PowerPoint, not create it. So I'm going to add the file. I click Add File. I'm going to go to my downloads because that's where I had, and I received this really cute little PowerPoint. So I'm going to click on that one and I'm going to click Open. So here you can see it begins to upload into my files. Once it's complete, then I can add it to my playlist. Now, it's not necessary to add to your playlist. It's just going to make your day go a little bit easier so that when you have everything in order, ready to go for Monday morning, you just can go right in order. You can add as many files here or as little files as you want. And you can add some to your playlist or some not. I could upload a whole bunch for the whole week, and then maybe on Monday I'm only going to add a couple to my playlist. So here you can see it finally uploaded. Now I'm going to click on it and I'm going to add it to my playlist, and I'm going to click this button. Take a look over here. It has now populated into my playlist so that when I video on Neuro with my students, I'll have it ready and waiting for me right here. All I have to do is click right on it, and here comes my PowerPoint. If I didn't add it to my playlist, that would be fine too, but that would require me to go back up to Files and find it, press play. So this is just a little bit easier. So here was just a little clip of how to go ahead and upload some files to your Neuro. I hope this helped you.